Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a G to G. I'm back again today with another hit. I'm back in the studio. I'm going to be making a Japanese trap beat today, so make sure you watch out. I'm going to be making a Japanese trap beat today, and it's going to be a hardcore Japanese trap beat. So if you're watching on your Android or on your computer, make sure you smash the subscribe button so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. It's a G to G, the hit maker, the beat maker. So let's get straight into my FL Studio and start programming our Japanese trap beat for real. Right now I'm in my FL Studio. I'm going to pick my sound today for my Japanese trap beat. Now today I'm going to be using this plugin called Transition Bars. My Japanese trap beat. Now I've opened my transition trap bars. I've opened my transition bars, which is my plugin. Now I'm going to pick a good preset for my Japanese trap beat. I will hold it, turn it to channel 5. Now I will right click and click on my piano roll, my Japanese trap beat. Now I'm looking for my plugin for my Japanese trap beat. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Now until I pick a good plugin. Good, I've seen the right plugin for my Japanese trap beat. It's going to be a hit, and is this one called Rise. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss this show out today. Watch out, it's going to be a hit. Now I'm going to pick it on the bad second melody. I'm going to pick the other keys. I'm going to pick Holy Branch and the 6. I'm going to copy my bicycle melody right to my 8 bars. Good. Now on my second melody, I'm going to add a flute to the reverb too. Now I'm going to program my hi-hats. Now I program my hi-hats. I'm going to turn all my hi-hats right up. Then I'm going to put a sound organizer. I'm going to program down my hi-hat using a default program one. Like I will click on it of my piano roll. Now I'm going to program my kick. I'm programming down my kick. This is my Japanese trap beat. Now on my snare, I'm going to add a sound organizer. And on my hi-hat, I'm going to add a sound organizer on my snare. Now I'm going to split. I'm going to left click here on my playlist pattern one where that there's pattern one. I'm going to left click and split by channel. Now I will just go around and drag the instrument in. I'm going to like click on each instrument and put in my playlist on my snare and put in my playlist everything I put in the program. Put in my playlist, my ever keys, my playlist. My Japanese trap beat sound very good. Here, I'm going to remove a snare here and here. I remove the hi-hats. Then I'll start on the ending of my intro and hi-hats here. Next step is I'm going to put an automation. to the full Japanese trap beat. Swap. I will use here where my cursor is. I will swap here. I'll swap here and here. You can reverse polarity here. And this is the outro of my Japanese trap beat.